Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are use Android phone and Android phone Instagram apps installed by Google Play Store. Instagram apps upload complete and install it complete. Then your mobile phone display showing Instagram icon, same Instagram icon. But problem face Instagram apps video create and upload not fixed. So this video watching and your upload problem solution. First, your mobile phone setting icon click and search apps option. Apps and search. Apps option click and search. Now click apps option and showing this interface your mobile phone display. Now manage apps clips and check and wait. Not uploaded all apps, then search Instagram apps. I will get Instagram apps. Now click Instagram apps and apps permission option and file and media. This option click and allow file and media. Now your created video not uploaded Instagram apps already solved this option. Thank you watching my video.